Guys, and today's video we're gonna make a vending machine. So you need birchwood planks, yellow terracotta, redstone repeater, redstone comparator, and you need redstone dropper, hopper, bookshelf, white stained glass, and quartz slab, and stairs, any kind of stairs. Okay, so wait, I forgot something. Also, you need a chest. Okay, so you have to dig 3 by 3. Then you put a hole in the middle. Then you put a chest. Then you put a hopper. Laggy. Then I'm lagging again. Okay. You do like this. Then you have to put a redstone comparator here. Then you put a redstone repeater here. Then you put redstone all over here. Over here, these three, you have to dig them. Oops. There we go. Just gonna get a dirt. And over here you have to dig 2 blocks. Then you put a dropper. Then you kind of like pick up this. And you're done. So we're gonna make it looking like a vending machine. So you put 3 by 3 yellow terracotta everywhere here, not in the redstone. One over here in the middle, just leave it because we're gonna put something in it. Or you can just put it right now. Oops. Over here we're gonna put birch. Then you put 2 blocks more. Then you put stained glass. Then you wanna get your quartz slab. Then put it here. Then get your bookshelf and put it right about here. Then you get your any kind of your choice stair. Then you'll have to make it upside down. And wait, guys, gonna let it clear it up. And you can do this too. Look. And there's here, wait, I missed a spot here. There we go. And that's how you make it. Oh, and you need I forgot one more thing. What's that called? Item frame. You have to put it here. Then you have to get any kind of food you want. I'm gonna choose cookies instead. Wait, I forgot to get it. Then you place it there. Then you put cookies there. Then you put this there, and you're done. And that's all I'm gonna say to you guys. And this is how it's gonna work. Okay, wait. So you can use any kind of block or whatever type of things. So I'm gonna use diamond. So when I do this, when I put it into dropper, it's gonna give me a cookie. And then and how to refill it is like, I think like this. There I go, and that's how you refill it. and it's in the side it's still power on the redstone. Oh, it's off because the dropper. And I hope you like your vending machine that I show you. And goodbye. Wait, I'm not yet done. So these are my redstones, and this is my palm thing that I made from my other video. So yeah, I'm just gonna oh, and I like Nerf too, and I don't know how to make the R too. So I hope you like my video. Subscribe and hit that like button, and I will see you guys later. Goodbye. Wait.